Action!
Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open Squinky dewdrops. And then these are Squinky dewdrops. And you say stuff, Cameron.
Well, try me. You say try me. You can try and press the button. They got a magic.
I can't touch it.
Yeah.
It's here.
Yeah. Well, you see a layup. You press it again.
You can't turn off. It turned off by itself.
Yeah, you turn it by yourself.
And look at the back. They say we stack, and it's very hard to get these.
Yeah, it's rare item. It's ultra rare.
Ultra rare.
And they got different ones. Jungle Brits, Congo Brits, Fuzzy Brits, and Night Brits.
What Brits?
I don't know. Well, anyway.
What does Brits mean?
I have no idea.
Okay, let's open it.
You want to open it now? Okay,
yeah,
sure.
I just said open it. Has so many dust.
Yeah. You just use your thumb or fingers to punch in it.
I'm just trying to punch it with my whole hand, but too big. I don't like that.
It's difficult. You need some more helping hands. Oh, they got a tape on it. Yeah, that's why it's difficult. You just take off the tape from here. It's easy.
You pick that bit up.
You always give me the trash.
Because you are the trash can.
Oh my god, trash can.
These are the lights.
Yeah, let's take a look at the brochure or the file. This is season 3. Well, it's a lot more for our collection. You want me to help you? Oh, try me. It's broken 14 pieces. Have you ever seen this before on YouTube?
No.
This is the first time.
Yeah.
Is it famous? I don't know. Maybe or maybe
It's
no.
supposed to be like this.
And you got a stand. You can put it on a stand. This is a stand. Display stand.
Yeah. That's just a card.
Yeah. To show you how you can put the creatures, living creatures on the stand.
Let's open
That's
it
a
up.
surprise.
Yeah, let me take that out.
Okay, so the
Give
stand.
it to me. I need it. It's not supposed to. We need to take this off. And later we can put it back on. Like this is the background. Like this, guys.
Oh, maybe you can make your background later. You can get a printer to print out a background, whatever you want to be a background.
This is a background. Let me take out this. Scissors?
My finger is more than enough.
Give it to me. It's a fun.
You want me to help you do?
No, don't do that. I can do it myself. She has a carrot, I think. Ooh, I guessed right. She did have a carrot. It's actually 2 packs in there. Actually, this big pack has 2 packs. Inside there's a sticky thing, and she got ear things.
Oh, it's a headset.
Headphone. It's not.
Oh, you know that last time Mommy went to Miami and got you 2 new headsets. We haven't tried it out yet.
This.
Yep.
It's a banana. Looks like a banana. Put it on. Catwalk.
Yeah.
I'll put the ones here. I'll take out these ones by emotion. This is the light. And this little butterfly has this hat. This little butterfly has this hat.
Yeah. It's okay. You need to drink some more water later.
little bee. Does it look like scary music?
Yeah.
Oh. He has clown hair. Oh, he's so cute, little chubby. Oh. She's wearing a It's not a marshmallow, it's a mushroom hat. It's a mushroom hat for what? It's shaped like a what hat?
It's a mushroom hat.
It's a mushroom hat, but what it is, it's supposed to shape like.
I don't know. It's a mushroom.
It's a hat, but which country are supposed to wear it? It's
I don't know.
Spana.
I don't know. You just put it on.
Spana? She's a fox. Right.
Okay, you got 6 pieces. One more, the last one.
This one's like...
It's 4 now. Oops.
I'll let it fly! 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 Whoa. Fly!
And then we can... Are you ready? We can have a close-up.
No, not yet!
What?
It's a ring!
Yeah, it's a ring, but your finger is too small.
No, it's upside down, supposed to be like this. It's a button. And then your light works.
And let's have a close-up of the ring. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a close-up of all the little things, little creatures. You put it on a stand. I know how it works because if we turn off the light, but it's daytime, we cannot do that. You still see some sunlight. Then you glow in the dark.
When you put the light on it.
Well,
I think it changed color.
Yeah, later we can go to the storage room and check it out later. But no kids can see it because it's dark.
Let's try to hid inside the bedroom. Later at least. So bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up to subscribe. Bye.